90% of the work is completed there. Only 2% is remaining, which will be completed in 7 days time. And then there is a time to the contractor to remove the waste from there. He has a time up to end of 2024. We are trying to make him to lift it as early as possible, so that this site is available for the solid waste management plan and the project. So that is the endeavor. And insofar as Margam municipality is concerned, the court has directed that insofar as generation of daily waste is concerned, they should dispose it off properly by following the proper method, and there should not be anything left there, and this should be cleared as early as possible. That is the direction which is issued by the High Court to the Margam Municipal Council. For the legacy waste, the waste that was lying there for years together, for decades together, which had become a menace, and it was really a problem, that is cleared to the extent of 98%, and we are very happy about it. In 1 week's time, balance 2% will be removed, which is a great achievement by the corporation, that is the Waste Management Corporation. We should congratulate the Waste Management Corporation for achieving this target, which appeared to be an impossible task. So congratulations to, insofar as government is concerned, we and the state. As far as me personally, I am congratulating the Waste Management Corporation for achieving this target.